ranch. Wonder how it's gonna be doing. It's been windy here. Soon. We are on the home road already. Yes, we are home. Whoa. What has happened?
Our kitchen has been cleaned up.
We don't have a kitchen anymore, guys. You will get skinny.
How the hell are we gonna fix this?
Let's just get our stuff from the car, because we still have to spend the night here.
Why?
There's no other places for us. You've been banned.
You can go to the hotel.
No, you cannot.
Oops. Guess who's sleeping next to you?
I'm so tired. Oh, the mosquitoes.
Rock and roll, guys. The first night in Finland.
Shut up. Hey, morning.
Sorry.
Can you help me a little? Hold this.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Isn't this dynamite?
What do you think?
Are you gonna blow us up?
Is that what I think it is?
Did you steal these?
I got connections.
This ranch really looks like it's messed up already. I'm not gonna start fixing it up. So I'm just gonna get rid of it once and for all.
You don't have any idea how much dynamite you're supposed to use.
No? This is like a giant microwave. I can't miss this opportunity. Last time I couldn't finish my sausages. So this time I'm gonna make sure I got at least 10 sausages to eat. Perfect. No se on Jarppi Duutsoneista päivää. Pian on tapahtumassa vähän vahinkopalo täällä Rauhalan kartanolla. Kannattaisi ehkä ottaa vehkeitä ja lähteä tähän suuntaan. Moro! Hey guys! I would hurry up if I were you! 3, 2, 1, 0!
The whole wall is gone.
That was sweet.
Just a little bonfire. Now you finished the job.
This is like Wild West! Guys! The house is on fire! Jukka is trying to put out the fire.
The only thing I can is burning my wiener.
Let's leave it to firemen.
Yes.
We got all we need.
We got everything. Hey everybody, take the last glimpse at the ranch when it's still up.
That was a dumb idea.
Let's go.
Pretend to be innocent. Smile nice.
Okay. Hey, how hard can it be to find a new ranch
In 1 day.
in 1 day? There's not one ad in... Oh, here it is.
Should we take a closer look at them?
Don't do that.
I'm cooling down the engine.
Hey, we don't need that part.
Yeah, let's start from the prices.
That's your own piss.
100,000, 80,000, 180,000. Too much. There's more. Blockhouse. No. Now this looks like a perfect ad. Old farmhouse in a bad shape, sold or rent. Like a dream for someone who can fix things. That's ours.
Yes. Yeah.
That has to be magic.
Oh my God. Is this it? This is nothing like the picture.
Well,
Whoa.
it's standing.
Terve.
Ja tervetuloa esittelyyn. Tervetuloa. Täällä on siistiä, niin näitä pitää panna jalkoihin. Ja noin. Eteinen ja sitten on tämä vanha tupa, minkä sitten on siistiä ja viereshuone ja niin sanottu perähuone tuolla takana.
Is somebody living in here?
Nyt niin. Oi. Se ei oo vielä teidän.
It's a rock and roll
Se
house.
on nimittäin antiikki piano.
I thought that we get a luxurious house this time.
HP, I found your room.
Mitäs Samperi siellä pihalla nyt tapahtuu? Nyt pitää mennä.
I want that tractor.
I'm kind of starting to like this. What do you guys really like about this?
Well, there's only minor things to fix. And you know, we need a place to stay.
That's so true. Well, I guess we are gonna take this.
Thank you.
Kiitoksia.
Yeah, the upper bed is mine.
Yeah, he will never get our money. I like the doors.